Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's continue our grammar course. We will discuss the parts of speech, all of them. We will mention each type in details. We will learn how to use each one in a simple and proper sentences. So let's go to the parts of speech. We start with nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, interjections, and prepositions. These are the main parts of speech. We must know what are these types. We must learn how to use it in proper sentences because you cannot see any English sentence like one of them. At least one or two: noun or pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction. So they are really famous and very important to us. So let's go directly to nouns. We have four types of nouns. We have common, proper, compound, and collective. But first, before we go to these types, let's know what is a noun. A noun is a name of people, places, or things. Just know. Alley, garden, things. Not just these are nouns or this is the definition of a noun. You must know that a noun can be replaced by a pronoun. Like alley, I can replace it with he. Garden, I can replace it with it. Things, I can replace it with it. So a noun can be replaced by a pronoun. Let's see what are the common nouns. Common nouns are names of any person, place, thing, or idea. They are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. So common nouns are not capitalized, but they are normal letters or small letters unless it come at the beginning of a sentence, because we know this is something like it's a must to capitalize the first letter at any sentence. Proper nouns, it's the twin brother of the common nouns. We always know each one in contrast with the other. So proper nouns are names of specific places, things, or ideas. Proper nouns should always be capitalized. So the difference between proper nouns and common nouns, that a proper noun is the name of a specific people, specific individual, place, or thing. So it's well known, or once I mention it, it will be known by people. This is the difference between common nouns and proper nouns, because most of people try to always compare between both of them, and they face some problems to differentiate between them. Okay, let's have some examples. We have common nouns like boy, river, car, and city. So these are common nouns. Like any boy, any river. We have many rivers all over the world. We have millions of boys, millions of cars, millions of cities. But a boy, general, but when I mean a specific man or boy, I can say James, Ali, Alex, Max. River, like Nile River, Mississippi River, Furat River. So these are well-known famous rivers. Car, Ford, Dodge, Toyota, okay, Audi. So we have different types of cars. City, we have New York City, we have Paris, we have London, we have Riyadh, we have Cairo. So we have different types of cities all over the world. So now you can see what is the difference between the common nouns and proper nouns. This is a general noun. This is a specific, known, famous noun. They traveled to Paris. Paris is a proper noun because it's a city and it's a famous city all over the world. I want to visit many cities in France. I want to visit many cities in France. So here we have cities. We didn't mention or use a specific city, so it's common noun. Paris, proper noun. Cities, common noun. And by the way, France is a proper noun. Okay? So here you should differentiate and know the difference between common nouns and proper nouns. Let's read this example. We are living on the Earth planet. Earth, it's a famous proper noun. We have only Earth planet or one Earth planet, but we have many planets. So Earth is a proper noun. Planet is a common noun. Collective nouns. A collective noun names a group of individuals, people, things, or places. So, class is a group of students. Flock, group of birds. Family, family members, a group of family members. Father, mother, uncle, children, daughter, son, these members. Team, which is a group of players, participants, or athletes, whatever this team, like a teamwork, football team, karate team, it's different. Okay? So a collective is a noun that includes inside a group of members or a group of individuals. We have Navy, which is a group of sea soldiers or a type of soldiers who are able to deal with boats, sailing, and these water missions. Crow, which is the like the plane crow. Flock, like bird, flock. Class, a group of students. Club, a group of athletes or sportsmen or people. Herd, which is a group of sheep. Band, like a musical band. Team, like football team. Teamwork. Army, which is a group of soldiers, includes hundreds or millions of soldiers. So these are some examples of a collective noun to tell us what is a collective noun. Let's have some questions related to the collective noun. Write the collective noun in each sentence. Number one, a large crowd stood on the platform. A large crowd stood on the platform. The collective noun here is crowd. Number two, on Thursday, the army started his march. On Thursday, the army started his march. The collective noun here is army. 3. A herd of sheep gazed on the hillside. A herd of sheep gazed on the hillside. So the collective noun here is herd, a group of sheep. The Navy sailed 3 ships into the harbor. The Navy sailed 3 ships into the harbor. The collective noun here is Navy, okay? The collective noun is Navy. Let's move to next, or the second type of the pair, like compound nouns versus collective. We have known what is a collective noun. Now, a compound noun is made of 2 or more words. There are 3 forms for compound nouns. Number 1, open or separated space between words, like tennis shoe. Hyphenated, hyphen between words, like 6-pack, 3, closed or solid, combined, because there is no space or hyphen between words, like bedroom. So these are the 3 types of compound nouns, which is separated, hyphenated, or combined words. Let's have some examples for each type of these. Number one, separated nouns like high school, post office, double play. They are called separated because there is some space or separation between the two words. They are not close together and they're not connected with a hyphen. So there is some space separated. Okay? So separated nouns, two words joined by space. Okay? Let's check the third or the second type, which is hyphenated words. It's connected by a hyphen or little dash. Mother-in-law. Mother-in-law. We have dash here and here. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. We have a small dash or hyphen between the two words. Left-hander. Left-hander. So we have here a little dash between these two words. The third type is the combined words like football, doghouse, blackboard. These are called combined or solid words because they are joining together with no space, just like one word. You feel it's a base word. So they are football, doghouse, blackboard, bedroom. Okay. Let's have some practice on the compound nouns. Write the compound noun in each sentence. Number one, my great grandfather is living with us. My great grandfather is living with us. The compound noun here is great grandfather. Two, a new high school was built last year. A new high school was built last year. So high school is the compound noun. Three, there are 3 lifeguards at the beach. There are 3 lifeguards at the beach or at the beach this summer. Lifeguards is the compound noun. Last, I felt angry, but I experienced self-control. I felt angry, but I experienced self-control. The compound noun here is self-control. It's a hyphenated word. The first one, great grandfather, hyphenated. High school, separated. Lifeguard, combined or solid words. Self-control is hyphenated. I hope you understand the types of nouns, the common and the proper, the compound and the collective nouns. You must remember what is a noun, basically, because it's very important. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments, or you can just ask me, send it as a mail. Thank you very much, and see you next time. If you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. If not, still subscribe and like it. Thank you very much, and see you next time.